Goodbye, Oshkosh.
Twin, 36 left, clear for takeoff, Fairhawk demo, 36 left, 9.8. All 36 left departures, turn right heading 150, priority control tower, stay at or below 1,300 MSL until clear class out airspace.
Like there's a line to get out of here.
Yeah, I think we're going to get to go straight out though.
Fairhawk demo, 36 left, clear for takeoff.
Long line.
36 left, 9.8.
Welcome to the Congo.
Yes!
I'm going to put you in right behind this blue and white 195.
This big one?
No, it's a 195. It's
Oh, I see it.
round engine.
Yep. Got it. Got it.
And all 36 left, turn right heading 150, priority control tower, stay at or below 1,300 MSL, turn clear the Delta takeoff, Amphib 36 left, 9.8.
That's the controllers that are talking to the departing traffic.
Runway, clear for takeoff. RVA Juliet Hotel, hold short of 36 left, that's the pink shirt.
We're following that guy.
Amphib 36 left, clear for takeoff. RVA Juliet Hotel, 36 left, line up and away, traffic departs downfield.
All right, what frequency do we stay on this one or do we change?
All 36 left departures, turn right heading 150.
Thought we
Control
changed.
tower, stay at or below 1,300 MSL.
Okay.
The class Delta airspace.
Maybe not. 118.9.
Yeah, 118.9.
And we go into heading of 150? Right? 50.
150. Turn right to heading to 150.
All right.
Prior to control tower.
Got our bugs. I got our bug set, so we're good.
And we need to stay at or below 1300
Okay.
until clear of Class D air.
Cherokee 69 Juliet 36 left, clear for takeoff. White RV 36 left, line up point. White RV 36 left, clear for takeoff, 195, 36 left, line up point.
We'll be talking to
Cherokee
us.
57 Juliet, hold short of 36
Okay.
left, that's the pink shirt.
Okay. Hold short. Guy in the pink.
195, 36 left, clear for takeoff, Cherokee 57 Juliet, 36 left, line up point.
Up and wait.
195, clear for takeoff. All 36 left departures, turn right head. Cherokee 36 left, clear for takeoff. Blue, green, RV, 36 left, line up wait. Blue and orange RV, hold short of 36 left, that's the pink shirt. Blue and green, clear for takeoff, 36 left, blue and orange, line up and wait. White RV, hold short of 36 left.
I guess with good video here.
Yeah. Oh. Stupid wings in the way.
Blue and orange, clear for takeoff, runway 36 left.
I got a good view out the back.
The
Yeah.
white RV, tail dragger, number 1 at 36 left, line up away. The white RV, tail dragger, number 2, hold short of 36 left. 2 Romeo Mike up to the pink shirt and hold short. RV on the runway, 36 left, clear for takeoff.
Look at all those
Tail
DC-3s.
RV.
Yeah, buddy, I see that.
36
Oh, they're
left,
in bits
line up
and
away.
pieces.
That's not good. There we go. I got a good video out there.
Nice.
2 Romeo Mike, 36 left, clear for takeoff. Christian Eagle, 36 left, line up away. All 36 left departures, turn right heading 150, prior to the control tower, stay at or below 1,300 MSL until you're clear of the Class Delta airspace. Use caution, there's a bunch of you out there, and thanks for coming.